Okay, so stdio.h and stdlib. I'm using this because I need to use system clear. If I want to use the system command function, I need to include this stdlib.h. And I'm using string.h because I'm using a character string here. If I want to read, write, or use character string, then I need to include character string.h. After this, I'm taking input. fgetx is used to take input from the keyboard if I want to take an character string as an input. After that, I'm declaring a file pointer. This is the file pointer, and now I am opening the file in binary mode, in write plus binary mode, right? So this will write from the first line. This will write from the first line, not from the last line. This will write from the first line and in binary. This we will not understand this if you open the text file, this one. And here, since I'm opening the file in write mode, it will create this file if it doesn't exist. If it exists, it will open this file and start writing from the first line itself. If there is already something written, then it will overwrite this. And if you want to write from the last line, you can use append mode. After this, I'm writing I'm writing a sentence. I'm writing a sentence into that file. Now, the sentence I have taken from the keyboard, the same sentence, the character string sentence, I'm writing the same into the file, but in binary mode, right? Now, after writing the sentence, I'm closing the file and I'm opening the same file again so that I can read from the first line, beginning line. So after writing the string, it will point to the next line. So I don't want that. So I'm closing the file and I'm opening the file again, same file. So now it is pointing to the first line where I have written this sentence. Now I am reading the same sentence from the file. Now, if I find E, if if I find E, the E will be replaced with the next character in the same string, J plus 1. J is E. Suppose this is found, E is found, character. This will search each character. This will search for the character E, character by character in the string. When E is found, it will replace the E with the next character in the same string. And it will be done for 30 times because the string length I have taken is 30. That's why I have taken 30. Right? After doing this whole thing will do a left shift. If it finds an E, this whole thing will do a left shift. It will replace E with the next character. This will the left shift will be done once. So suppose there are more number of E's in a single row. For this purpose, I have added this for loop. So once the E is replaced, it will again check for the final. It will again check for the E in the final string, and if there are more E found, then that also will be replaced with the next character, like this one. After this, I'm closing the file. I'm opening it again, but in the read mode, read plus binary. So this will now the file pointer will point to the first line, but it will not overwrite anything. It will just read. So I'm reading the same sentence, character sentence that I have written into the file, and I'm printing the same on the monitor. Let's see the output. Enter the string. I'm giving. See, E has been removed, and see all the E has been removed, and after removing E, this the H is written here. This space comes here and this H comes here. This way all the E's are removed, and